Hello friends, today we are going to make restaurant style healthy, tasty, delicious sambar recipe. You can enjoy it with any South Indian dish. If you like today's video, then do like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's get start the video. Put a bowl of rahul dal in the cooker and pour 2 glasses of water in it and makes 3 whistles. Also add chopped tomatoes of 2 medium sized. Break 3 dry chilies from the middle and also take some mustard seed in the bowl. We have cut radish and ladyfinger. Here you can take your favorite veggies. What you want to add. Now dal is cooked. Now add a glass of water to it and chopped veggies. And add salt as per taste, 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. And turmeric water also, that is imli ka pani. Mix well and makes 1 whistle. Recently we are upload South Indian Upma recipe, that link in description box below. Heat a teaspoon of oil in tadka pan. If you want Hindi recipe, so check out the description box link. The cooker has just cooled down. Now open the lid of the cooker and stir it with a spoon. Now you can see that everything is well cooked and looks tempting. Now keep the sambar in low flame. Add half a teaspoon of hing, few leaves of curry leaves and the prepared mixture to the hot oil. Mix everything well with help of the spoon and let them crackle. Do like this all the things. If you follow same process, same steps, so your sambar makes very delicious like us. Now add 2 tablespoons of sambar powder in sambar and mix well. After cracking the tadka, add it to the sambar and half a glass of water to the sambar and mix it very well. Look at this sambar, now it's done. This South Indian sambar looks very tempting and you can enjoy it with any South Indian dish.